And luckily I could, you know. So, but this is very important, you know, to achieve breakthrough, because everybody got this road, everybody want to go to this road. Nobody wants to go this road. You know, if you want to go different road, you need something very in mind. In my case, you know, I want to write a paper, so I want to go this way. You know? So you need a very brave heart to go to different road. Because everybody wants to go this way, you know, it's very hard to select this road, you know. You need something in mind, you know.